Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel with another exciting Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove duplicates in Excel. This tutorial video is very important, so complete watch the video and subscribe my channel. So let's start the process. For this, look at my Excel data here. In first column, there is employees names, and in second column, there is country names of particular employee, and in third column, there is annual salary of the employees. Our main goal is to find the duplicate in this dataset. So first of all, go to the Home tab in Main menu and click on Conditional Formatting option and select Highlight Cells Rules and find duplicates value. Now look at the options here. For example, select red text and press OK button. Now see the duplicate text in the dataset is highlighted with red color. We can also do custom formatting here. Click on Conditional Formatting option and select Highlight Cells Rules and find duplicate values. Click on it. Now look at the options here and find custom formatting here. Go to the patterns and choose color. For example, select yellow color and press OK button. Now see the duplicate text in this dataset is highlighted with yellow color. Now to remove duplicates, go to the Data tab in Main menu and click on Highlight Duplicates here and then click on Clear Duplicates. A pop-up will appear. We can remove duplicates from each column. For example, I want to remove duplicates from employees' names. So simply check this cell and uncheck the remaining cells and press OK button. See, duplicates are removed from this column. Similarly, you can remove duplicates from your dataset. So that's how to remove duplicates in Excel. If this video was helpful for you, then please do subscribe to my channel to get more videos on Excel. Thanks for watching.